Literally like 3 a.m. in the morning, and I'm trying to do a vlog, trying to keep it quiet as possible so I don't wake up the whole house. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's CREE, and today I'm gonna be doing a haul of a couple different things. Number one, guys, I actually got sponsored. Yes, I did. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. It's this guy. I promise when I got it, it was way like neater than this. Way much more neat, okay? It was in a box. It comes in this box. Excuse the messy repackage that I did. So they gave me this card right here. And it says thank you. From YesStyle. So cute. Okay guys, moment of truth. It's so heavy. It's a handful. It's more than a handful. What am I saying? So, there it is. So, first thing that I pulled out is this calming serum from Beauty of Joseon. And if you guys remember, I have this other bottle right here. Okay, nothing wrong with this. It's still good. I just like want one that like, this one is for like calming, you know, like your skin, like soothes your skin. So next I got COSRX, this right here, COSRX Blemish cream, and this is also like for calming, soothes the sensitive skin area and for also irritated area. Next guys, I got this COSRX, this is a Snail Peptide eye cream, and I'm getting this because the one I got, which is from last video or last vlog or so, the last time I got this, it was Beauty of Joseon eye cream, and apparently this makes my eyes so tight and dry. When I say tight, it is not a good tight. I think it's good for like anti-aging, and it's not really suitable for my eyes, so I can't use this on my eye at all. It's like glue, you know. It like makes my eyelids stuck to each other. Like I could barely open my eyes. That's why I bought this one, to see how this one goes. And I also got another eye cream. This one is by Haruharu Wonder. This one is kind of famous-ish. I saw it off of TikTok. They said it's good for sensitive eyes and stuff. So this one is made out of black rice. Next guys, I got COSRX toner because why not, it's famous and everything. And next I got another toner. This one is I don't even know how to say this, Pyunkang. So yeah, this is basically an essence toner, and basically it's like essence and a toner, and these are known for like sensitive skins. So guys, next I got, this one is by Dr. Ceuracle, and this one is a vegan kombucha tea essence. And basically I am in love with this small bottle right here, so I got a bigger one and they're really good. So next I got this Aeronal lip care right here. I was gonna order the other one as well, but it was gonna take about 30 days to like ship, so I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna wait for one item to take that long. And while waiting, I'm just gonna try this out. This is good, keep it, you know, I'm gonna keep using it. If it's not good, I'm gonna order something else. So yeah, that's like testing things. Next guys, I got this COSRX again Snail cream, and this is like all-in-one cream moisturizer. Just trying to see which moisturizer is best for my skin, doesn't like clog pores and all that. The one I usually use is good, but I'm just trying to see if there's better products out there that's suitable for my skin, you know. For the sponsored item, drum roll please, I got this. So Dr. Caruso, this is a sunscreen. Yeah, this is this has a SPF 50, is a moisturizing UV protection for face and body. It is a lightweight, it's almost like watery texture, not even totally watery, but I would say what would I like most describe it to? It's almost like a moisturizer. So like it's really lightweight, and I can't really wait to try this on. And that is all for this YesStyle haul. Oh my gosh, it's a lot of products. I got something from here. I don't know this place. What is this place? Lovisa. Got this ring right here. No, this is the first ring. Pretty. This is the second ring. And this is the third one. And there's one right there. In a light purple, crystal purple color. So cute. And I think this is the last one in this blue color. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. So guys, that'll be all for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you do, make sure to leave a like. Comment down below what you like or don't like about the vlog. I will see you guys next time. Bye!